Hi everyone, I'm Jane, and this is my husband Alex.
Hello, I just returned from my trip to the UK.
We're very excited to share his experience with you.
I'll talk about the weather, people, and places in the UK.
He also brought some lovely gifts for me.
Yes, and I can't wait to show them.
Traveling always teaches us something new.
That's true. I learned a lot from this journey.
So stay with us and enjoy today's conversation.
Let's start our story.
Alex, you're finally home. I missed you so much.
Missed you too, Jane. It feels great to be back.
How was your journey from the UK?
It was long but comfortable. The flight was smooth.
You look tired but happy.
Yes, I'm tired, but I have so much to tell you.
Did you bring anything for me?
Of course, I couldn't come back without gifts.
That sounds exciting already.
I bought you something special from London.
I can't wait to see it.
Let me freshen up first.
Sure, I'll make some tea for us.
That would be perfect after the trip.
You must be hungry too.
Yes, airline food can't beat home food.
Sit down and relax.
Being home feels peaceful.
I'm so glad you're back safely.
Thank you for always worrying about me.
We'll talk properly after tea.
Yes, I have many stories to share.
So, where are the gifts you mentioned?
I kept them safely in my bag.
You're making me more curious now.
Here, this scarf is for you.
It's beautiful and so soft.
I bought it from a small shop near Oxford Street.
I love the color. It suits me perfectly.
I knew you would like it.
What else did you bring?
I also got you some chocolates.
British chocolates are my favorite.
They have many unique flavors.
Thank you for thinking about me.
I was thinking about you the whole time.
Did you buy anything for yourself?
Just a jacket to remember the trip.
This scarf will remind me of you.
That makes me happy.
I'll wear it in winter.
UK winters inspired me to buy it.
You really know my taste.
Because I know you well.
How was the weather there?
The weather was very unpredictable.
Was it very cold?
Some days were cold and rainy.
That sounds gloomy.
Yes, the sky was often cloudy,
Did you see much sunshine?
only for short moments.
That must be difficult to adjust to.
It was, especially in the mornings.
Did you carry an umbrella every day?
Almost every day.
No wonder people talk about UK weather so much.
It can change within minutes. I prefer our warmer weather. I miss the sunshine here.
Cold weather suits some people, though.
True, some locals enjoy it.
Did it ever snow?
Not during my stay.
Rainy days must feel long.
Yes, but they have their own charm.
How were the people there?
People were polite and helpful.
That's nice to hear.
They respect personal space a lot.
Were they friendly to you?
Yes, especially when I asked for directions.
Did you make any friends?
I met a few colleagues and locals.
Were they curious about you?
Some asked about my country.
That must have been interesting.
Yes, we exchanged cultures.
Did you face any difficulties?
Sometimes the accent was hard to understand. British accents can be confusing. But people were patient.
That's important.
They value manners a lot.
I like that about them.
Me too. Good people make travel enjoyable.
Absolutely. Which places did you visit in the UK?
I explored London mostly.
London must be amazing.
It's full of history and culture.
Did you see Big Ben?
Yes, it was impressive.
What about the London Eye?
I saw it at night. It was beautiful.
That sounds magical.
I also visited museums.
Museums are your favorite.
They are very informative.
Did you go to parks?
Hyde Park was peaceful.
I wish I could see it someday.
We can plan a trip together.
That would be wonderful.
The city is well organized.
Was it crowded?
Yes, especially during rush hours.
Big cities are always busy.
London is lively and energetic.
Tell me about the food.
The food was different from ours.
Did you like it?
Some dishes were good.
What did you try?
Fish and chips were popular.
Everyone talks about that.
It was tasty but heavy.
Did you miss home food?
Very much. Nothing beats home cooking.
That's true. Did you find any familiar food?
Some restaurants served international cuisine.
That must have helped.
Yes, it made things easier.
Food connects us to home.
Exactly.
I'll cook your favorite meal tonight.
That's the best gift.
You deserve it after travel.
I'm already excited.
Did you notice cultural differences?
Yes, many small differences.
Like what?
People follow rules very strictly.
That's interesting.
Public transport is very organized.
Was it easy to use?
Yes, but very punctual.
You had to be on time.
Exactly.
What about daily life?
People walk a lot.
That's healthy.
They also value privacy.
Every culture is unique.
That's what I learned.
Traveling teaches us many things.
It really does.
Did you enjoy learning these differences?
Yes, it opened my mind.
Experiences are more valuable than things.
I agree with you.
Are you happy you went to the UK?
Yes, it was a valuable experience. I learned a lot. About people, places, and myself.
Traveling changes us a lot.
It makes us more confident.
Would you like to go again?
Yes, but next time with you.
I would love that.
We can plan it carefully.
Which season would be best?
Maybe summer.
Better weather then.
Exactly.
I'm really glad you're back home now. Because the house felt so quiet without you.
Me too. Being away made me realize how much I missed our home and our time together.
Now that you're here again, home feels complete and warm in a way I can't explain.
Thank you for waiting for me so patiently and supporting me while I was away.
That's what family does. We stand by each other no matter the distance or time.
Let's enjoy this evening together. Relax and forget about all the busy days.
Yes, let's take a break from travel stories and just enjoy being at home.
Just peace, comfort, and togetherness. Which is all I want right now.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps me create more helpful videos for you.